2023, and we are back with the insight of the week. The two most important growth factors determining the long-term success of your product or service and ultimately your organization are user feedback and rapid iterations based on that feedback. If rapid iterations are so important, how in the world are we supposed to technically be able to do them while not wasting too much time and staying under budget? As we all know, development costs can easily break your bank. Solution: no-code and low-code tools. Let's say you're a small business owner who needs a simple website, online store, or mobile app, but you don't have a developer on your team. With low-code and no-code platforms, you can bring your website and app to life without having to hire a costly developer. On top of this, you're going to be able to support the project in-house. In its simplest form, the low-code and no-code movement is about making it easier for people to develop software, products, and services without having to write much code. There are several different platforms and tools that fall under this umbrella, but they all share one common goal: helping you bring a product or service to the market and iterate fast. With traditional methods, making even smaller changes to an existing application could require a complete rewrite. But with low-code and no-code tools, this isn't an issue. Changes can be made quickly and easily without sacrificing stability or quality of your product. This democratization of app development is empowering businesses of all sizes all over the world to build custom applications that they need to solve their unique problems quickly and cost-effectively. The sooner your startup gets to the minimum viable product, MVP, the sooner you will start acquiring users, seek user feedback, and get to the break-even point, paving the way to the long-term profitability. Now, stop complaining and go develop a remarkable product for your customer.